Siliguri police is looking for more people in the Bihar job aspirants assault case. According to the police, in Siliguri, they're trying to nab the accused, identifying through the viral video on your screens right now, and interrogating the arrested person. So far, police has arrested 2 persons in this case. One is Rajat, another one is Girdhari.
डॉक्यूमेंट निकाल
डॉक्यूमेंट निकाल थाना पे जाएगा तुम लोग थाना पे जाएगा
मोबाइल का
कपड़ा क्यों पहना कोई
We'll straight across to Anupam for more details. Anupam, get us up to speed with the investigations in this entire matter. What more can you tell us as the probe gets further intensified?
Well, Sneha, according to police sources, Siliguri police is investigating the case from yesterday, and yesterday itself they have arrested 2 persons. One person was Rajat Bhattacharya, who belongs to the to an organization named Bangla Pokho, and then after interrogating Rajat, they have also arrested one more person, Girdhari, at the night, and they are also trying to identify another persons which are seen in the video. So police has created a team to identify those people, and they are on the case, and both arrested persons will be produced in court today. And the charges which police have arrested are 2 charges. One is assault and harassing of the youths, and the second is impersonating themselves as police officers, because we can hear that the accused persons were identifying themselves as IB officers in the video, that viral video which is on social media. So these are the 2 cases which have been slapped by Siliguri police on these 2 persons, and police is on it. Police, according to police sources, they are on it, and they are trying to nab or identify some more persons.
Okay, Anupam, be with us. Coming back to you in a moment from now. State of Bengal in the limelight once again. This time for assault on 2 students from Bihar. They had gone to Bengal for a staff selection commission exam, and they were assaulted by a group of men in Siliguri. The video of the incident shows 2 men asleep when a group forcefully entered, walked up to them, interrogated them in Bengali about their origins. Students were pushed, phones were snatched, and they were made to do sit-ups. Students pleaded for mercy as the assault continued. Assault on students from Bihar has triggered a huge controversy. Mantri Giriraj Singh attacked the Mamata government, saying that the Sarkar is ready to extend red carpet for Rohingya Muslims, but children from Bihar are being beaten. TMC, however, asserted that the party welcomes everyone in Bengal and promised swift action in the matter.
ममता बनर्जी की सरकार जहां रोहिंग्या और बांग्लादेशी घुसपैठियों के लिए, मुसलमानों के लिए रेड कारपेट बिछा के रखती है, वहां अपने ही देश के बच्चे, बिहार के बच्चे अगर जा रहे हैं वहां एग्जाम देने के लिए, उनके साथ गुंडाई कर रहे हैं, मार रहे हैं, पीट रहे हैं, भगा रहे हैं। ये बिहार के तेजस्वी यादव भी देखे, राहुल गांधी भी देखे, और बताएं बंगाल राष्ट्र है और या बंगाल भारत का एक अंग है।
ममता बनर्जी जैसे गिरगिट होता है ना, वैसे गिरगिट की तरह रंग बदलती है। इनको शासन करने के लिए सारे हिंदी भाषी अधिकारी चाहिए, क्योंकि वो इनके कहने में चले। और अगर बंगाल में कोई आदमी कोई परीक्षा देने आता है तो उसको इनके बांग्ला पक्ष के जो लोग हैं, इन्होंने एक बी टीम बनाई हुई है जिसको बांग्ला पक्ष कहते हैं। और ये चुनाव से लेकर हर जगह जो भी एक संवैधानिक अधिकार भारतवर्ष में रहने के लिए किसी को भी मिला हुआ है, जो भारत का नागरिक है, उसके संवैधानिक अधिकार को छीनने की कोशिश करती हैं।
ममता बनर्जी के शासनकाल में जिस तरीके से बिहारी लड़के अंकित यादव और उसके साथ जो लोग थे, उनके साथ ये मारपीट किया गया कि तुम बंगाल में कैसे परीक्षा देने आ गया। यहां सिर्फ बंगाली और बंगाल के लोग ही को नौकरी का परीक्षा देने का अधिकार है। कहां गए लालू जी और प्रतिपक्ष के नेता? आज अंकित यादव के साथ अन्याय हुआ, मारपीट हुआ, सिर्फ इसलिए कि वो बिहारी था। तो क्या तेजस्वी यादव या प्रतिपक्ष को नहीं बोलना चाहिए कि ये गलत है, मारपीट करना गलत है?
वो लोकल कोई प्रॉब्लम होगा, क्योंकि इसके हमारा जो स्टेट से बहुत सारे लोग दूसरे स्टेट में जा रहा है, दूसरे स्टेट से हमारा स्टेट में आ रहा है। देखिए, अनफॉर्चुनेटली बंगाल का लड़का तो दूसरे स्टेट में वो तो मर्डर भी हो गया, वो हरियाणा में हुआ है। तो ऐसा कंप्लेन तो हमारा पास आप सब लोग देख सकते हैं, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है। हम सबको वेलकम करते हैं, ये डेमोक्रेटिक स्टेट है, तो उसका लोकली कुछ हुआ हम लोग देख रहे हैं।
Assaulters belong to the Bangla Pokho group. The group claims students use fake domicile certificates, which led to this face-off. Listen in.
What is being construed to be harassment, it is far from it. It is an initiative to protect the internal security of India so that miscreants and criminals faking their documents do not get into BSF, CRPF, CISF and other central paramilitary forces that all Indians are so proud of.
Anupam continues to be with us. Anupam, tell us a little about this particular group, the Bangla Pokho group that is being considered the group essentially behind this attack.
Well, Sneha, this Bangla Pokho group is a very small organization, and they specifically advocates for Bengali culture, Bengali language, and previously also we have seen some of the incidents and videos where they were trying to erase the blackboards or something written in other languages, especially in Hindi. So this is a small group, French group, which was working for Bengali language and culture for the past few years, and they are being accused of doing all these things, and we know that this whole thing has snowballed into a political blame game at present, and BJP is coming heavily on Mamata Banerjee on this issue, whereas TMC has distanced itself from the incident and said that whatever happened is unfortunate, and they are looking into it, and they have also welcomed other people from other states into Bengal, and police is also investigating the case.
All right, Anupam Mishra getting us up to speed with those details in Kolkata, joining us with the very latest on that story from Siliguri.